Okay, you can't really see anything with this angle, but this is a very tedious process. I can feel my reamer engage, and you feed it forward about 20 thousandths. Then you have to back it out and clean out all the chips. Suppose you wouldn't have to, but there's only a certain amount of area in between the cutting edges, the lands, that are able to collect chips. So, that being said, you want the reamer to cut your hole. You don't want the chips to cut your hole. I hit my mark, and I just pull it back. And clean off the chips, blow it out.